This is Richard with JR T44, and this is the 10th in a series of videos regarding how to set up a new helicopter model in the JR T44 transmitter using the TAGS-Mini 3-axis flybarless gyro system. In the last video, we centered the servo arms electronically in the TAGS-Mini. In this video, we're going to install the linkage between the servo arms and the swash plate, make sure that the swash plate is level and halfway through its vertical travel when the collective pitch stick is centered, and calibrate the TAGS-Mini. As we did before, we'll begin by turning on the transmitter. And powering on the onboard electronics in the helicopter. Again, we're going to wait for the TAGS-Mini to initialize before we do anything else. Once again, we're going to enter the function menu in the TAGS-Mini by pressing the button, the S button, and waiting for the LEDs to circulate. Note that the gain lamp is again lit on the TAGS-Mini. The gyros on the TAGS-Mini are now effectively turned off. Back to our T44 transmitter, we're going to press the L list button to go into the function list menu. And we're going to scroll to Swashmix. Highlight Swashmix and click the roller. Now previously we had left the Swashmix settings at the default 60%. We're going to change these to 50% for two reasons. One is for calibration, and the other is when we finally go to test hover the helicopter, the recommended percentages by JR are 50%. So we're going to scroll over and change these to 50%. Now, if you had a negative 60% or negative whatever on any of these before to get the swash moving in the correct direction, you should keep the negative value, but just make the percentage 50%. If you were positive before, keep the positive values. And they may be different on, from aileron to elevator to pitch. Okay, so now we're at 50% here. From Swashmix, we're going to press the L button to return to the function list menu. We're going to scroll to the left to pitch curve, highlight pitch curve, and click the roller. Now, again, we have all servos hold, and again, we don't want to have all servos hold because we need to manipulate them with the transmitter. So I'm going to scroll down to no, highlight it, and click the roller. Again, we have a straight 0, 50, 100% curve. We're going to raise the throttle stick as we did before to where we have at the bottom here 50 in, 50 out. We're now going to connect the linkages between the servos and the swash plate. We've now installed all three linkages, and we've also put our anti-rotation bracket in, at least temporarily, so that the swash plate is rotationally square as it should be. Now at this point, we've leveled the servo arms, and we have the swash plate exactly halfway through its vertical travel, and we want to make sure that it is sitting perfectly flat. And we do this by adjusting these three linkages if it's not already perfectly flat. We're now going to calibrate the TAGS-Mini for the elevator and aileron functions as well as the collective pitch function, one function at a time. Now the manual for the TAGS-Mini gives a different procedure than we're going to follow for calibration. In the TAGS-Mini, they provide instructions for setting the Swashmix for one function to 50% while turning the other two Swashmixes down to 0. You can do that, but there's a calibration feature in the T44 that makes it much easier. We're still in the pitch curve screen from before. We're going to press the L button to back out to the function list, and we're going to scroll to gyro sense. Highlight gyro sense and click the roller. Once in the gyro sense screen, we want to scroll down to the lower left where it says calibration. highlight the word calibration, and click the roller. Now we're in a different screen that says triple axis calibration. We're going to scroll down to elevator cal and click the roller. Now we've already got the Swashmix set at 50% all the way across the board. In this screen, it automatically sets the aileron and the pitch to 0. The TAGS-Mini is still in its function menu, and it still has the gain lamp lit. We're going to press the F button until the cal light is lit. First press it goes to norm, second press it goes to cal. I'm going to press the S button next, and you'll see cal is flashing slowly, elevator is solid. Press the S button again. Both are flickering rapidly. I'm going to take my T44 and I'm going to move the elevator stick back and forth, taking about 1 second for each movement. I'm going to do this until the elevator lamp becomes solid on the TAGS-Mini, which it has. The calibration for the elevator axis is now set in the TAGS-Mini. In my T44, I'm going to scroll down to aileron calibration and click the roller. Back to my TAGS-Mini, where the calibration light is still flashing and the elevator light is steady. I'm going to press the C button to move the LED to aileron. I'm going to press the S button and the aileron LED will begin flashing rapidly. Just like I did with the elevator, I'm going to move the aileron stick left and right in about 1 second increments until the aileron lamp is solid. Back to my T44, I'm going to scroll down to pitch calibration and click the roller. Returning to my TAGS-Mini, I'm going to press the C button to move the LED to pitch. The aileron lamp is out, pitch lamp is lit. I'm going to press the S button again. The pitch lamp will start to flutter and the calibration lamp will flutter more rapidly. I'm now going to raise and lower the collective stick as I did with the aileron and elevator stick. Note that when we calibrate the collective pitch, the behavior of the TAGS-Mini is a little bit different. Instead of the lamp becoming solid again, the TAGS-Mini reboots. See the swash plate moving up and down. It's rebooting. Calibration is complete. In our T44, scroll to the upper right of the screen where it says OK, highlight and click the roller, and press the L button twice to back out to the home screen. In the next video, we'll connect the tail rotor pushrod to the tail servo. We'll also check the direction of gyro compensation for all 3 axes and make corrections to them as necessary. Thank you.